Are you my shoe chef? Shoe?
Yeah.
Sous chef. I did not say that right.
No.
Are we chefs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
donut chef.
High five, donut chefs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Anosha for those who are new here, and this is London again. Say hi.
Hi.
Today, what are we today? What are we gonna do?
Make some donuts.
Today we're making donuts. So I saw this recipe on Pinterest. I see a lot of recipes on Pinterest. So I decided to try them out for you guys. The ones that look interesting, to see if they're actually really good. They always look good, but do they actually taste good? So me and London today are going to try out a apple cider donut recipe we saw on Pinterest. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into it. So we have all our ingredients here. We're gonna start by taking all the dry ingredients and we're gonna mix them in a bowl. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna start by sifting the flour. Sift it in there.
And then shake it.
Yeah. You know how to sift? Good job, baby. You're a professional.
Then, Mom, those are not dry ingredients.
No, they're not. We're not gonna use those.
Why?
Good job.
Well, why not use those?
Not yet. We sifted the flour, then we're going to do the baking soda and the baking powder. Want to put it in?
Yeah. I'm the biggest.
Good job. Going to do the cinnamon.
I can do it.
Cinnamon, good job. The salt. Oh yeah.
Mix.
So we're gonna do the egg.
Why?
1 egg.
Why, Mom?
Oops.
Why don't you do the other ingredients?
The white sugar. Do the brown sugar. You wanna put it in?
No.
Ooh, that one's clumpy. Brown sugar. Okay, baby. Now we're gonna whisk them together.
Why?
Why
Are
do
you
you have
gonna
to
make
what?
bubbles like buttermilk?
Yeah, we're gonna add those in too.
Ooh, the bottom smells good.
And we're gonna add
Butter?
the butter, the buttermilk,
Wow.
vanilla extract. Wanna do it?
Mm-hmm.
Then we have the apple cider. This was reduced for 20 minutes over the stove to get rid of some of the water so the apple flavor could really pop out. Apple cider. Now we're gonna mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Wanna be my mixer?
Yeah,
Alright.
mixy.
And we mix it up.
I'm mixing it up.
Doesn't take forever.
Why? Why, Mama?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Team and the dreamer. Now can I
Not yet.
do it? Now can I do it?
Not yet. Now we're gonna pipe the donuts into the baking pans. So we have our pre-buttered baking pans. Pipe them in, baby.
Come in, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a professional baker. I don't know how to pipe. So we just gonna do what we do. Right?
Right.
Oh.
That's the time for donuts. Why do you need to put in the donuts? Nothing?
Nothing? We already put all the...
Don't you have...
Yeah, I do. I'm struggling. We're going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes. You can bring it to the oven, but I'm gonna put it in the oven because I don't want you to burn yourself. Hold tight. The donuts are done, out of the oven. They look like this. Now we're gonna dip them in butter and coat them in cinnamon sugar.
Or you can do this and that?
Exactly. So we dip them in the butter like that. Ooh, and then we put them in the sugar.
Ooh, can I do that?
You got sugar hands.
No, butter hands.
Taste test. Which one do you want to taste?
This one.
Alright, mommy take a bite and you take a bite. You want the bigger one?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you're supposed to cheers me. Cheers. Alright, taste it. See if it's good. Mmm. You like it? Guys, these donuts are really, really, really good. They're better than the donuts we bought at the apple farm. Right, London?
Yeah.
They taste really good. High five. Oh yeah.
Are it dinner time?
It's not dinner time. You're gonna have to wait till dinner time so you can have a whole donut, okay? Okay.
Like that donut.
Yeah, cool. Just gonna put your whole hand in your mouth. Yeah, cool. We tried it. It's delicious. It's definitely worth trying yourself. They're so good. I'm like stopping myself from eating more, but I'm gonna wait till after dinner too, like London, because you eat dessert after dinner, right?
Right.
Yeah. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you try this recipe, let me know what you think. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That's bye-bye like a baby.
You did.